The biggest difference between Dave and Brigit is that their fees depend on which features you actually use, so the cheaper app for one person may not be the cheaper app for someone else. By the end, you'll know how Dave and Brigit compare on fees, cash advances, subscriptions, and which app is the better fit for your situation. Let's start with the basic cost. Both Dave and Brigit offer cash advance services, but they don't use exactly the same pricing model. Dave charges a small monthly membership fee to access its features, while Brigit also requires a paid membership for its cash advance service and additional financial tools. Because both companies can change their pricing over time, always check the fee details shown inside each app before signing up. The next thing to compare is optional charges. With Dave, you may have the option to receive your advance faster through an express transfer, which can include an additional fee. If you're willing to wait for the standard transfer, you may avoid paying that extra cost. Brigit also offers expedited funding in some situations, depending on your account and eligibility. If speed matters, compare the available transfer options before requesting an advance. Now let's look beyond the monthly fee. Dave includes features such as budgeting tools, spending insights, and account monitoring. Brigit also focuses on budgeting, financial tracking, and alerts designed to help users avoid overdrafts. If you're already paying for one of these memberships, consider whether you're actually using those extra features. Paying a monthly fee for tools you never open increases your overall cost. Another factor is eligibility. Neither app guarantees that every user will qualify for the same advance amount. Approval depends on your connected bank account, income history, and account activity. If one app offers you a larger advance without requiring additional paid services, it could provide better value even if the membership fee is similar. Finally, think about how often you'll use the app. If you only need an occasional cash advance, the total yearly cost of a recurring membership may matter more than individual transfer fees. If you use budgeting tools every week, a subscription may be worthwhile because you're getting more than just access to advances. To sum it up, compare the monthly membership cost, review any optional express transfer fees, look at the financial tools included with each subscription, and choose the app that fits how often you'll actually use it. The lowest advertised fee isn't always the lowest overall cost. If this comparison helped you decide between Dave and Brigit, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons, app reviews, and financial app guides.